wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best windshield shades. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Big and Visor Shield works like a charm at keeping your car's interior from reaching excessive temperatures. It combines a 2-layer bubble material with a reflective aluminum that deflects sunlight well to keep your upholstery looking like new. It's easy for anyone to fold and can be put away in seconds. However, the suction cups could be sturdier. At number 9, the Pure Love cover offers relief from all weather conditions, no matter the time of year. In winter, it eliminates the need to scrape off ice and snow, and during hot summer months, it does a good job of reflecting the sun. It's a thick multi-layer construction with side flaps that secure inside the doors, but the straps can't take a lot of abuse. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the CPR Double Bubble is an economical choice for those who need sun protection for a large windshield, but without a hefty price. A silver model, it's plain but effective and measures a generous 66 inches wide by 27 inches tall. This is an accordion style with a securing strap and fabric edging to prevent fraying. It keeps steering wheels cool. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for windshield shades, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, whether you're a Blanche, Sophia, Dorothy or Rose fan, the Just Funky official Golden Girls is a great accessory. The heavy-duty material does an admirable job of keeping your vehicle at a comfortable temperature, so it's not unbearable when it's time to hit the road again. It helps prevent upholstery from fading and folds up compactly, but it is more expensive than most. Moving up our list to number 6, the Motor Trend Folding features a stylish reversible design and a simple accordion shape that makes it a piece of cake for anyone to fold up. It only comes in one size though, so be sure to measure your windshield to ensure a good fit. It closes securely with Velcro and is available in several colors, all at a budget-friendly price. Halfway up our list at number 5, the A1 Shades Premium is a popular favorite thanks to its convenient, user-friendly design that's both durable and dependable. It can block 99% of ultraviolet rays and is available in 7 sizes to offer the perfect fit for your car or truck. It's lightweight and compact and made with silver-coated nylon, but the wires can come through over time. At number 4, you'd have to search pretty hard to find an option with more personality than the napolex Disney Pixar Cars, which has the big friendly eyes of beloved character Lightning McQueen. It's quite wide at 51 inches, so it'll work with a range of vehicles. It goes well with red paint jobs and is lightweight at less than 10 ounces. However, the colors fade over time. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Road Charms Jumbo XL measures 70 inches wide for good protection in trucks, SUVs and large vans. Its dual 31-inch inserts are much larger than most standard pop-up shields and stay propped up until removed. It comes with a satisfaction guarantee and is constructed of heavy-duty nylon. It's easy to fit around the rearview mirror. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for windshield shades, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, instead of preventing you with an origami project, the WeatherTech techshade rolls up neatly and quickly, so it's easy to stow away in a flash. These come in a variety of sizes, each for a relatively small range of makes and models, so you can find just the right one. They have a hook and loop strap to secure them, and they can trap heat in the winter. They're made in the USA. And coming in at number 1 on our list, if you live in a sunny area, the econour standard can help maintain your car's interior. It pops open in seconds with a twist and folds down just as quickly, no matter which of the 5 sizes you select. It protects sensitive electronics and fits neatly in the provided pouch. It comes with a money-back satisfaction guarantee. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for windshield shades, or simply click beneath this video.